keep the change.
Keep the change.
Keep the change. Yeah. Keep the change.
Keep the change.
Keep the change.
That's too much.
Keep the change.
Keep the change.
Keep the change. Keep the change.
Keep the change.
Keep the change.
Cents here. 10. Keep the change.
Keep in touch.
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 And, keep in touch.
In touch.
And keep in touch.
Keep in touch.
Yeah. See you. Keep in touch.
Keep in touch, then.
I'll keep in touch.
Oh, keep him quiet.
Quiet, General.
You keep quiet.
Keep quiet. Keep quiet.
Keep quiet.
Keep it on the down low. Keep quiet.
Keep quiet.
Quiet. Oh, keep quiet.
Keep quiet.
Keep quiet.
Quiet. Keep quiet.
Keep away, keep away, keep away from lobster roll. Keep away.
Keep away from me.
Keep away. Keep away, my son.
Keep away.
Keep away. Keep away.
Keep away.
Keep away.
Keep away.
Keep
Keep away.
away. Keep away. Keep away. Keep away. Keep up, honey. Keep up.
Keep up.
Keep up, Jack. Keep up.
Keep up. Keep up.
Keep up.
Keep up.
Keep up.
Keep up, honey.
I feel queasy.
No, I feel queasy.
Oh, you feeling a little queasy?
I feel a little queasy.
I feel weak and queasy.
Under the weather.
It's just a little under the weather.
Yeah, heard you were under the weather.
Feeling a little under the weather tonight.
He's a little under the weather.
She's a little under the weather.
She's a little under the weather.
I am just feeling under the weather.
He's, under the weather a little bit.
He's a little under the weather.
Under the weather? Yeah. How did that? A little under the weather.
He's feeling under the weather.
Under the weather.
I don't mean that.
I mean, I don't mean that.
I don't mean that.
I don't mean that.
I mean, I don't mean that we're never.
No, I don't.
I don't mean that. I don't mean that. I didn't mean that. I don't mean that.
Oh, I don't mean that. I mean, how come,
Just rumors.
It's just a rumor.
Mind control? Well, it's just a...
Yeah, I get it. It's just...
It is just rumor, isn't it?
Lawrence.
Relax. It's just a...
Man, it's just a rumor.
Hey, it's just a rumor, right?
It's just a rumor.
That's just a rumor.
At any rate, enjoy your time.
Enjoy your time with your firstborn son.
In this lifetime, Holmes. Enjoy your time.
How did you enjoy your time in Alaska? Then enjoy your time in the spotlight.